Welcome to the Easy Laser XT System tutorial series, presented by the CEO of Engineering Dynamics, Christo van der Walt.
Today we are focusing on the Softfoot program. From the main screen, select Shaft, then Horizontal and Open. You'll see 5 icons at the top of the display. The first icon is where you enter the measured distances. All distances and information must be entered before proceeding to the next icon. Select the second icon at the top of the display. Then select the Softfoot icon on the lower right. The Softfoot process involves moving the measuring unit to the 12 o'clock position, then proceeding to the next icon. Tighten all the bolts. Select the foot, then loosen, tighten and enter the value. Repeat this process until the tolerance is less than 0.05 mm at all feet.